The thing was that we are very happy to be back again in Hyderabad. It is a very favorite destination of us coming from the Union Territory because of the similarities of the rich food, the rich culture, the rich heritage, and the element of adventure what Hyderabad offers on the same lines at Kashmir. So we from the J&K state feel at home here, while as you feel at home from Telangana and J&K. So that is why we want more and more people to come and feel at home. See, the road show is tonight only at 6:30. So all the prominent tourism players of Telangana will be there with us, and we will be giving our assurance that Kashmir is the safest place, which has been rated as the safest place for women travelers, solo women travelers, by all the censuses and all the records put forth by independent bodies about Kashmir. So it's a happening destination. Please do visit us. That's it. See, the thing is, when the country shut down, we also shut down. We were not an exception. Now the country is opened and we are also trying to cope up with the country. See, India is a very great country and very resilient. It doesn't let these small things cow us down. We have to grow and hopefully we will grow. See, as I told you, even from Telangana, the records are that last time when I visited, only 300 people had come. This time, up till now, 3,000 people have come, even during the difficult phase. I can't say a pandemic or anything like that because for the future, we don't think about it. The thing is, I'm here, so that is promoting. The government is very serious of getting Telangana into Kashmir based on so many similarities between Telangana and us. The food, the culture, the heritage, the adventure. So we are similar in many ways. So we don't, as it is, the people from Hyderabad and Telangana won't feel out of home when they visit us there in J&K. Thank you. Thank you.